Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a StudentBeans account. To get started, you want to head over to Play Store and search for StudentBeans. You want to download and install it on your phone. So once you're done installing it on your phone, you want to navigate to where it is and open it. You want to go ahead and skip. You want to choose your country and click on sign up. You want to go ahead and accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. I'm going to use my email, but you can go ahead and use our Facebook or Google. I'm going to choose continue with email to sign up. You want to go ahead and enter your email address and click here. Then you want to go ahead and enter your first name and your last name. You need to remember that this will be used on your digital student card. You want to click here and you want to enter the month, day, and year. For you to qualify to sign up on StudentBeans, you have to be at least 16 years and above. So it's going to be 11th, that's November 23rd, 1999. You want to click here to continue. So what are your pronouns? You want to choose the pronouns that you like to get offers from. I'm going to choose he and him. And I'm going to click here to continue. You want to go ahead and create a password. You want to make sure your password is at least 8 characters long. You want to click on create account. And if you want to get exclusives and latest discounts, you want to go ahead and click on this one. If you want to get mails from the brands you choose to get codes from, you want to turn this on, okay? And then you want to click on continue. And here you want to click on continue to verify your student's status. Which country do you study in? I'm going to choose United States. You want to choose what applies to you, all right? And where do you study? You want to go ahead and choose the school where you study. For me, I'm going to choose Atlanta Jewish Academy. This one right here. What year do you graduate? I'm going to choose 2022. Once you're verified, you'll be able to sign into your StudentBeans account, okay? It is that simple. Guys, this is my StudentBeans account. As you can see, this is my name right here. This is how to create a StudentBeans account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.